Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will tell you about the website that you can use for enhancing your photos. Here on the screen, you can see the before and after results as well. Here I will give you a step-by-step tutorial how you can do that. So let's begin the video. First you have to go and you have to open your browser, and here you have to search for Cutout Pro. Here you can see this website Cutout Pro on the top, and you can also see here in the bottom samples of different work done by this Cutout Pro. So I'm just opening the website here. Here if we talk about the features that this website offers, here you have this background remover, image enhancers, background diffusion, and you have this bring creativity into reality. You can use all these features, but here for this video I will just use their image enhancer feature. For using their image enhancer feature, just you have to go and you have to click on these three lines on the top. Here now you can also log in or you can sign up and you can create an account here. If you go to the product, here you can see all the product features that this app offers. Here in the AI Restore, you can see this option called Photo Enhancer, so just click on that. Here now you have to upload the image that you want to enhance. You can upload here any image from your photo, library or camera. I will just go with my photos here. Here I have selected one picture and we're gonna upload that. Now here you have to wait for some time. And that's it, our photo has been enhanced. You can see that now how much clear the photo has become. And from here you can even go and you can download the photo as well. Here you can download the photo in the normal or in the HD version, it's totally up to you. Now here we also have one more website called a photo app. Here you can also see the before and after results as well. For enhancing your photo, just you have to go and you have to upload any image here. Just click on upload image. Now here I will go and I will upload the same image to differentiate them as well. So here I will just go with this image again and will upload that. This will may take some time, so you have to wait. And that's it, our photo has been enhanced. Here you can see the before and after version as well. You can see that how much clear and enhanced our photo is now. And from here you can also go and you can download. And that was basically all about how you can enhance your photos with the help of these websites. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.